What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Roam with Jeep. If you haven't been to my channel, go ahead and check it out. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button after you watch the video. But I just got here, and where is here? Guess.
How's it going? I'm John, and this is my son Carter.
Hello.
I'm here with Jeep. Jeep's staying in my Winnebago Navion 24J. It's a motorhome, and it's on the Sprinter chassis, D6 diesel. And this particular model, again, is the 24J. It's a single slide, and it's got the bunk over the cab, so it's got a full bed in the back, and it's got the single slide with the extra large dinette. So the dinette actually makes out into a bed as well. So you could sleep 6 in this model if you wanted to. We got the hookups installed here at the house and decided, hey, why not? We can, share Austin with the rest of the world and make a little money on the side too. So Jeep is actually our third guest in the RV, and we're happy to have him.
What do y'all want to see first? Well, I want y'all to see the front first. It's only right to show you the front and then the back. How'd y'all like it? Pretty nice, huh? I didn't know it was a Mercedes, no wonder. This camper van's got a lot of storage compartments all throughout. And the shower itself is pretty cool. It's got this door that curves, which gives you a little more room inside to maneuver. And the shower and the skylights really add a great effect to it because you don't need a regular light except at night. But during the day, it's definitely enough sunlight coming through. This sleeping area converts into a bed, but we're not going to be doing that. And then the shades, here's our shades for privacy. You can pull those down. It's got some drawers and stuff. We got the garbage can under here. Everything's pretty well laid out. The refrigerator's got locks. That way they don't swing open when you're on the road. It's got a separate freezer as well. Appliances are pretty dope. This is a closet, I'm assuming. Yup. To hang your stuff. Here's the bathroom sink. It's not in the bathroom, but it's out here, which is pretty cool. It's got a mirror. And then you've got your sleeping quarters here with storage right above. All right, let's go to Austin. Let's go check it out. I haven't been to Austin in about at least 4 years. Just can't wait to see what it looks like now. I know some of the stores that I used to go to have closed since the pandemic, but let's see what's out there now. I'm downtown. It looks pretty lively. There's music and there's people walking around all over the place. I'm at a local food co-op. I'm gonna grab some vegetables and some fruit and then head on out. Look at that blueberry muffin out by its... All right, I made it to the park. I'm not sure what park I'm at, actually. I don't know if this is Ladybird Lake or not, but let's check it out. I've got my drone and I've got all the other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and incognito my way out that way. Y'all can see that. So let's check it out. It's getting hot out there. I'm gonna head back to the camper and recharge the batteries from all of my devices and then head out later this evening when the sun is setting. I don't know where I'm at, but I'm trying to find my way out. I just got yelled at for going down the wrong street. It is my second day here in Austin. I'm in the old historical part of Austin, super nice area, and staying in this amazing camper hosted by John. I got it through Airbnb, and it's a Mercedes 2015. All right, so let's get out of here. I was just working on my editing for tomorrow, Sunday's video. All right, I found this nature preserve right here in west of Austin, and it's pretty cool. Let's take a look at it. These trails look pretty awesome. Look at this crazy looking tree. Wow, looks like something off the movie. What's down here? Let's check it out. There's steps. What a cool find. This is a quiet part. There's like no one out here. I saw some people walking up the trail that way, but there's no one out here on this part of the trail. And I hear peacocks too. I know there's peacocks here because I saw one on the way. And the peacocks, they sound like scary people. After immersing myself in the beautiful nature, I ran into a peacock. I followed him for a while, and then it was time to say goodbye to Mr. Peacock. How cool was that peacock? I would have stayed longer, but it's freaking hot out there. It's humid as heck. And plus there's a body of water down there. Woo! All right, y'all, I'm gonna head back, grab some grub, and go back to the camper and enjoy the rest of the night. And thanks for joining me. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. And in the meantime, stay fresh, cool, clean, be a good person, have a good heart. And as always, remember, roam with Jeep.